Let's see. Do you have warts? So in this video, we're going to talk about things that actually work to get rid of warts. So going back in time, maybe 10 or more years ago, I got a wart and I was so mad. I knew exactly how I got it. I got it from a doorknob at work. With that said, I wanted to anxiously get rid of this thing. So first I'm going to go over some things that I did and tried, and then I'm going to go over some other things that I heard that work. Tea tree oil and frankincense oil. It did work, but I will say on the weekends, I just kept applying, kept applying, kept applying, kept applying because I wanted that thing to fall off. Another thing that can work is that Indian clay. So if you mix the Indian clay with lemon juice or the Indian clay with apple cider vinegar and just put it on there, and then just do that how many ever times you can per day in that location. Now I will say if you have a sensitive spot, like if it's somewhere on your face or something like that, that can dry your face out. So you just want to make sure that you do it on a thick skinned area. Another solution that definitely is good is the garlic paste. So if you take some fresh garlic and you smash it, grind it, mince it, whatever, and you rub that paste and get that juice on wherever that wart is, and then bandage it, stick it, make sure that it sticks on there, that juice stays on that wart, that will greatly help. And I think that's probably the best method. I can't say it's the best method because some other methods I haven't tried. Another method that's really good, I think it's actually, to me, it's second place behind the garlic, is the fig milk. Now I know not everybody has a fig tree, so this is not going to probably apply to most, but I have a small fig tree, and when you take the figs off, there's like the little sap or milk, and putting that on the wart, or actually any, like if you have a mosquito bite or something, or that will also help dry the warts up as well. So those are proven methods that work. Though I will say with the tea tree, lavender, or frankincense oil, that wasn't as quick. So I like the other methods a lot better. Now, here's some other methods that I've heard, but I'm not sure if they work. And that is banana peels is one. Another method is some people say just use the apple cider vinegar or lemon juice just right on the wart. I've also heard using the baking soda with either apple cider vinegar or lemon juice right on the wart, somewhat working like the Indian clay. I've also read about using a vitamin C paste. So there you go. One of the things you want to keep in mind if you're a person that's prone to warts is your immune system, keeping your immune system up. I haven't gotten them a lot, but I think I've had a total of three in the last 10 years. So you definitely want to make sure that you keep your immune system running well by, what you eat, getting the right amount of sleep and things like that, because you're more prone to probably have a reoccurrence. There's people also on opposite sides who have the virus that basically you have it forever. Some people say that's not so. I won't give my opinion here, but what I will say is definitely take care of keeping your immunity up and just watch out for those doorknobs. Thanks for watching.